Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Monday Makes video on my YouTube channel and blog. For today's project, I am featuring the Christmas gifting kit. It has quite a few sentiments. It comes with the shaded spruce ink spot and all the components with pictured instructions. You don't even need to read. You can just look at the instructions and put this together. I'm swapping out the ink for my larger ink just because it's easier for me on film. And now I'm going to prep all of my bits and pieces in order to make the Christmas gifting kit by Stampin' Up. I want to mention here that this kit contains supplies for 9 tags. It has coordinating Stampin' Up colors, which are basic black, mint macaron, real red, and shaded spruce. Now, in saying this, there's also some ribbon. You have like glue dots, and you also have dimensionals that come in this kit, and twine as well. Like I said, the instructions are really easy to follow. I happen not to use the little glue dots that are in the kit. I use my own adhesive, and it is actually my choice. What else can I tell you about this? Right now, this kit is unorderable, which kind of sucks because I had planned this kit to share with you all, and I just went online to check just before I did the voiceover, and I found out that it was unorderable. But it doesn't mean that it's gone out of stock. What happens is if a kit is popular, it gets sold out and it will eventually be replenished. I can guarantee before Christmas this card kit will come back. Well, I can't guarantee, but I'm pretty sure it will. So, and there's a few little leftovers here too, as I'm noticing. And what I might do is add a little extra, for my customers who shop with me. If you do purchase this card kit, when it comes back into play, I'll have a PDF created for you and maybe some bits and bobs of extra pieces that will help you stretch your kit, just an extra little bonus. I like giving, so I do like sharing inspiration with folks. So maybe I'll come up with a couple of extra ideas, as I have with a couple of the other kits that were very successful. Quite a few of you really enjoyed the Thanks a Million kit I have, and also what's the other one? The Christmas card one. Anyway, long story short, here I am creating this lovely Christmas gifting kit. So what it is, it's like a tag and a gift card holder in the back. And I struggled a little bit with the ribbon, I will say that. And I ended up using a utensil that looks like a pony-o. If any of you are familiar with that, it is a plastic loop with a needle type end. I guess that is the only way that I can describe it. It looks like a lasso, actually. But it's hard plastic. And as a hairdresser, when I do an updo, I often put the hair end into the loop part and then sort of stab it through the design. Maybe it's a knot or something in the back of the the hair, and I can pull a piece of hair easily through because it has a needle type end. So, which actually I have something like that. I think I bought it at the Walmart, and it is something that I think it has to do with braces or something. I'm not even sure. It's very tiny. It's like a little purple lasso. I'm able to put a looped you know, like a double strand of loop through the lasso part, and then feed the needle part through the hole of the tag and the gift card holder, and I'm able to sort of pull that thread through. It's a little bit easier. You can see I'm using it right now. It's a little bit easier to feed through little holes and such. So anyway, that was a nice tangent, wasn't it? I know it can be a little hard watching somebody do this very fast. And you know, it's been such a busy week this last 2 weeks actually, getting ready for the Lake House event. And I know how many of you really like that series. And we will have, how many projects? 14 projects for you in the coming weeks for the Lake House project. I have the paper pumpkin kit for September 2022 coming up next. Hopefully I'll have that by Wednesday or Thursday online here. Then we'll do a online, the free card kit video for the first of the month, and then we'll get into the Lake House event, and hopefully that will carry us through almost towards Christmas season time, which, can you believe it? It's almost here. It's only 13 weeks away, you guys. So shocking. Anyway, yes, so this project this Christmas gifting kit, I am sure that it will be back in stock shortly. So I will put the link in the description below. And perhaps if you are at all interested, you would like to come and purchase this before Christmas comes, and you might get a little extra something from me in the mail, no extra cost to you. Maybe just to help you stretch your kit a little bit further. Everybody needs a little bit of inspiration, and boy, oh boy, isn't it nice that it's, you know, we can offer a few things that are for free as well. It's all about sharing, and for me anyway, sharing and growing this community. All right, so these are the other sentiments that are in the back. You can see that there is enjoy for someone special, with love, and I believe there's a to from as well. So the one thing that I did notice with this kit is that the gift card holder in the back is heavy, and it kind of pulls on the thin ribbon or twine. So what I ended up doing is I added a little Stampin' Up! Dimensional in that bottom right corner, sort of lined everything up, and just made it a little bit more sturdy. You know how sticky those dimensionals are, don't you? So I did find that this just added, just like I said, a little bit more stability, and it didn't pull on the twine, and it didn't hang off awkwardly. And I feel like the tag would be easier to hang on the Christmas tree like that. I don't know if you do that. We've done that in the past in my family, where we've hung, you know, cards or gift cards or that sort of thing on the tree. So you guys, that is my simple share. Sorry I couldn't pull anything extra off. I've been a little bit, you know, busy to say the least. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.